Welcome to our updated guide on how to remove your About section on Pinterest. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering inspiration and organizing your ideas, and keeping your profile up to date is key to maintaining your online presence. Today, we're focusing on a small but significant detail: removing the About section from your Pinterest profile. Maybe you're rebranding, or perhaps you feel it no longer reflects you. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, open your Pinterest app. It's that familiar red and white icon, likely on your home screen. Give it a tap to get started. Once Pinterest is open, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. It usually looks like a little tag or a bookmark. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to your saved boards and pins. Next, you'll want to access your profile. To do this, look for your profile icon or picture. It's typically located in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap that to head over to your personal space on Pinterest. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to make some edits. Look for the Edit Profile button. It might be near your name or profile information. Tapping this will allow you to change various aspects of your profile. You should now see several options for editing your profile. Look for the About section. It's the area where you've previously written a little bit about yourself. Once you've found it, tap on it to open it up. Now comes the simple part: removing the text. Just clear out any existing text in the About section. This will effectively remove it from your profile. Once you've deleted the text, look for the Done button, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to save your changes. You might need to tap Done again on the subsequent screen to ensure all changes are saved and your profile is updated. This extra step just confirms that you're happy with the edits you've made. And that's it. You've successfully removed the About section from your Pinterest profile. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how you present yourself on the platform. Feel free to customize it again in the future if you ever want to add something new. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.